Welcome to the MaxUp Advantage Spare Parts Replenishment presentation. Inventory ranks among the largest investments on the corporate balance sheet. Our research indicates that excess spare parts inventory has been found to be a billion-dollar problem in North American manufacturing companies. For this very reason, MaxUp Advantage was created. We have a team of reliability experts solving problems for companies that are facing some of these dilemmas. Does this sound like your company? Is machine downtime impacting your production schedule? Do you have large quantities of inventory and still have spot buys due to unscheduled maintenance? Do you have the same parts located in multiple locations with different descriptions? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be spending too much for your parts. You may be losing business due to constraints, and you may be investing in inventory you will never use. This system was designed by reliability engineers to help you manage your spare parts inventory more effectively. The unique features of this system will help you to determine the appropriate replenishment levels for your facility, taking into account the criticality levels of all spare parts and their probability of failure over a 5-year period of time based on their failure rates. This will help you to stock the right parts to reduce machine downtime and proactively schedule predictive maintenance. First, please notice the dashboard. It is divided into 4 sections: Add a new part, View saved parts, Import inventory, and Quick calculation. The first section we will talk about is the Add new part. This is where part information is loaded. In this section, part information is entered and several complex calculations are performed to determine replenishment levels, probable failure over a 5-year period of time, and criticality levels. The first set of calculations are the replenishment levels, also known as min-max and safety stock max levels. We will use these terms interchangeably. Using spare part algorithms, stock replenishment levels are calculated based on usage, lead time, and pricing information. This equation is specifically designed for spare parts inventory. The second set of calculations provides a 5-year probable failure projection. Based on industry research, we have embedded calculations using the Weevil approach. You will be able to easily schedule predictive maintenance as well as forecast future inventory demand from the derived calculations. The third set of calculations determines the critical levels of parts. Parts are categorized as critical, semi-critical, and non-critical, and are easily identified by using the Failure Mode Effect Analysis, FMEA. Once you have this information, you will be able to make better decisions that will positively impact your inventory investment. We have found during our research that many companies neglect to investigate repair options when ordering for stock and overlook part warranties when ordering spot buys. We have therefore included these 2 processes: a database of companies that provide spare part repair services is provided for those parts that have repair capability. You will be provided with a standardized approach to warranty management. After all, why pay to replace a part if it is under warranty? A database of IT and manufacturing specialized spare part suppliers used by Fortune 100 companies is supplied. By using this list of suppliers, several cost-saving opportunities should be generated, such as part substitution, supplier stock, reduced lead times, and better payment terms, to name a few. The View Saved Parts section is the history of items that were previously loaded. As you build your database of parts, information can be filtered to support any projects these parts may impact. You can export this information into Excel and perform the analysis you need. Using Excel, you have the option of uploading your existing inventory information into the Import Inventory section. This portion of the system automatically calculates proposed replenishment levels. You can compare the summarized information with your machine downtime related to parts, stock on hand, and the amount of spot buys you purchase to decide if changes are needed. If you have any questions, please email us at support@maxupadvantage.com. For an immediate response, please include your name, phone number, and extension. We constantly strive for perfection in order to make MaxUp Advantage the best system for spare parts replenishment. We always welcome your feedback. Please email us and let us know how we can improve at support@maxupadvantage.com. We hope you can see what MaxUp Advantage can do for you and how your company will benefit from this system by reducing downtime and right-sizing your inventory levels. Thank you for reviewing MaxUp Advantage.